Hey everyone, welcome back to Ahamed Ismail Dev. Today, we're exploring PHP, one of the most influential and misunderstood programming languages in web development. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, a recursive acronym. It's a server-side scripting language that runs on the web server, unlike JavaScript. PHP began in 1995 as a set of scripts by Rasmus Lerdorf. Today, it's modern with type declarations, functions, and powerful frameworks like Laravel. Steps to get started. 1. Install XAMPP, Laravel, or MAMP. 2. Use a text editor like Versus Code. 3. Create a file and add code to print hello, $name. Why PHP still dominates. Beginner-friendly syntax, millions of jobs available, works with MySQL, available on most hosting providers, and better with Laravel. Crossmark, PHP is dead, right pointing arrow false, used by Facebook, Etsy. Crossmark, not scalable, right pointing arrow Laravel powers scalable apps. Checkmark PHP is modern, secure, and widely used. Whether you're a beginner or building enterprise systems, PHP is still one of the most versatile languages you can learn today.